What's up, guys? Welcome to Ride or Rot. Got my 23 Rail Glide here that we're going to be doing some goodies on. Now, I did reach out to Nasty Hog. I've been looking around trying to find a chopped rear, fender bag kit for this bike, and I keep coming across them. I did get the bags, the fender, the side covers, and I ended up going with a rear crash guard. The one thing I am worried about is the pipe. Now, I'm running a Chromeworks Outlaw 2-in-1. It's a full-length pipe. Now, obviously, with the chopped rear fender and bags, it might look a little silly. So for my followers out there, you guys know I do a lot of raffles for parts and things like that. So this exhaust might be on there here soon. So if you guys want a chance for that, keep an eye out for that. I'll keep you guys updated on it. But further ado, let's get to this install. Now, like I brought up a minute ago, I did do the rear guards. These are from Nasty Hog. Now, as you can see, they do have different colors. So let me show you. They got different caps you can throw onto this. They have multiple different colors. So green, they got a bronze color, an orangish color, blue, red, and of course they got black and purple, which is on the bike right now. Now, these install very simply, just like your standard rear bar. If you had one on here, it'll mount under your seat and will come across, and there's a bracket that will run across underneath your bag, just like your standard bag would. Very, very simple. Always make sure you Loctite these things, so you do not want these coming loose. More than likely, I'll probably end up going with the front one too, so they match. But check these out, guys. So I got obviously a ton of boxes here. There's lids, there's the fender, there's actual bags itself. There's a lot of stuff. I was told very good things in the videos that I did watch about when they package these, they do it the right way. Obviously, this is going to be Vivid Black because my bike's Vivid Black. So you don't have to worry about scratching, things like that. So I got my original bags off, as you can see. With this, it's pretty simple. Obviously, all the latches and everything like that, you just have to install with the hardware they send you. The lids on there, get everything installed, and then throw them on there and see what they look like. But first off, I want to set these up there and put these on and just see what that exhaust looks like. I'm really worried because obviously it's a full-length exhaust. It's going to look pretty silly, so stand by. There might be a raffle for this pipe, and I might be going a different route. So we'll see. Let's throw these bags on real quick. All right, so I got it just kind of mocked up on there. Big thing, these rubber grommets, make sure you throw those on just to get that one all the way in there. There we go. Obviously, it's a setting there, but I don't know, guys. What do you think about that exhaust? I don't know. I don't know what I want to do. I want to change the whole fender and everything out, but I just don't want it to look goofy until I get my new pipe. But either way, I love the setup of it. Next part, let's get these latches installed so I can actually get these lids on, actually get these bags mounted to this bike. So the kit will come with your bumpers for the bottom of the bag guardrails. It does have the grommets for inside the bag. So the easiest way to get these on without, fighting it is to basically put these in, flip the bag over, get yourself a set of needle nose and pull them through and they pop right in. Oh man, it is warm out today. Jeez. Tell you what, we've been begging for it to be like this, and then as soon as it gets warm here in Indiana, then everyone complains that it's hot. It's like, come on, what are we choosing here? Oh, where my needles go? There they are. All right, I do have this setting on foam, so nobody freaks out on me. But push it through, and you will have the plug come out through the back side here. Grab a hold of it, pop it in, and you're good to go. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Remember to put these on. I can see people all the time that when those stretch bags were a big thing, people would go buy their Amazon bags and pop on their bags onto the bike and not put these on there. And then they wonder why it rattles so much and sounds like crap. And these, put these on too. Go through. There's one, two. Now I haven't opened up yet the hardware bag to see what all the hardware looks like from, factory stuff to the aftermarket stuff. But let's get it open and see what's in here. Oh, nice. So it does have the stripping, so we don't have to worry about water getting in and out of the bag. That's cool. And some goodies. Nice. Okay. A bunch of stickers. Got a patch. Cool. I got a bunch here, so maybe when I do this raffle for this exhaust, I'll throw in some of these stickers for you guys from Nasty Hog. So the kit will come with all the hardware. So you got your latches. It will come with a new lock assembly. I don't even remember what these called, but I got Motac ones and all the hardware to install it. Now I do have options to switch to a black trim outside here, but I know people don't like chrome nowadays, but I do like chrome. I like the difference with the black, the chrome, and the white, and I'm gonna start doing some purple accents. So I think I'm gonna leave my chrome ones on these bags as long as they fit good, and go from there. So let's do it. Now they did send basically, you know, filler lights to go down in here also. So full kit with wiring harness, everything you're gonna need with it, and it's gonna have full instructions with pictures. So my other fellow Marines out there, we can do this install, I promise you. It's very simple. But like I said a little bit ago, I'm gonna stick with my Custom Dynamics and running their stuff for a long time, and they're really great people. So again, shout out to Hogworks for sending this out. I will make sure that this does get installed on something, and I will do a video on that. Whew. Did I tell you guys it's hot? Holy moly. Got the bags installed. I think they look pretty good. This side I need to tighten up and get on here still, but let me show you. They mount up well. They close good. Now these are my original lids. I just didn't want to go through the hassle of building, you know, the whole lid, putting everything together. And I got some memories in this lid here. Shout out to Motac for these. These are sweet. If you guys got a chance, go check them out. But like I said, doesn't look bad. Now, obviously, I don't have the chop fender on there yet because I'm still a little weird about this. I just don't want it looking goofy. Easy peasy, really easy to install. Shout out again to Nasty Hog. When I get this thing completely done and put together, I'll make sure that I get you guys involved with that, and so you can check it out. But stand by, I will have some information on how to win this 2-in-1 Chromeworks Outlaw pipe. This thing sounds really good too. So here's the finished product. I dig it. Even without having cut fender on the back right now, it doesn't look bad. I think it sets it off. Like I said from the beginning, the material on these things, yes, they are the plastic, but these things are durable. You can't bend them around. I mean, they feel pretty good. So shout out again to Nasty Hog. I appreciate you guys for watching the video. Again, huge shout out to Nasty Hog. You guys are awesome. When I tell you that when I talked to them, I had this product, I had everything within like 3 days. So really quick shipping. Everything was packaged very well, no scratches, and the paint work was really good too. So stand by for more updates for the Road Glide Bellatrix. There's a lot more to come. So yeah, thanks for watching Ride or Rock, guys. Hit that subscribe button if you like the video, and we'll talk to you next time.